Kia ora, my name is Maurice Manawatu and I'm 53 years old. I've been part of the Whai Rawa scheme from pretty much from the beginning. I've seen it as a great thing, and I've seen it a great thing for our staff within our small business, and so we got them all to be involved, and my whānau as well, to all be registered, and it's just a great thing. Whai Rawa was a nice fit with our business because it was about empowering our whānau for the future. To be able to understand how money works, it takes away the fear for any whānau member if they want to go into business. And so, it just helps in all ways. For my grandchildren, the future looks good for them. When they grow up and they get to that age, they have options, and for me, at that, I didn't have options like that at all. They weren't there for me. Being the age I am, I'm conscious of retirement, and being in the job I have, I'm putting what I can into Whai Rawa for retirement. One of the biggest regrets that I have is that I didn't do it sooner, because I didn't think about it at that time, yeah. My idea of retirement will be in Kaikoura with my fishing boat, going out every day.